Node.js is an open source server-side runtime environment built on Chrome V8 JavaScript engine. It provides an event-driven, non-blocking asynchronous I/O and cross-platform runtime environment for building command line application, web application, real-time chat application, and REST API server. It has many features, but most important are JavaScript to build entire server application cross-platform, asynchronous by default, and very lightweight. Let's take a closer look to understand how these technologies are work together. In the traditional web server model, each request is handled by a dedicated thread from the thread pool. If no thread is available in the thread pool at any point of time, then the request waits till the next available thread. Dedicated thread executes a particular request and does not return to thread pool until it completes the execution and return a response. Node.js processes user requests differently when compared to a traditional web server model. Node.js runs in a single process and the application code runs in a single thread and thereby needs less resources than other platforms. All the user requests to your web application will be handled by a single thread, and all the IO work or long running job is performed asynchronously for a particular request. So, this single thread does not have to wait for the request to complete and is free to handle the next request. When asynchronous IO work completes, then it processes the request further and sends the response. An event loop is constantly watching for the events to be raised for an asynchronous job and executing callback function. When the job completes internally, Node.js uses labif for the event loop. When it turns uses internal C++ thread pool to provide asynchronous I/O. Node.js development environment can be set up in Windows, Mac, Linux, and Solaris. Windows installation will be explained in the coming video. These tools or SDK are required for developing a Node.js application on any platform.